Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do Mission 3, Lesson 1. The objective of our lesson is I can compare lengths using taller than and shorter than with even and odd endpoints. The first thing I want you to do is study this picture right here. And if you look at this lady right here, she might look familiar because that's me and I'm Miss Beach. I'll be doing your lessons today. And this is my son, Brody. So what I want you to do while you're looking at this picture is discuss with someone at your house what you notice about our heights. Go ahead and pause the video and have a discussion about our heights. You probably said some of the same things I said. I am taller than my son, or you may have said that my son is shorter than I am. So the next thing I want you to do is look at the two ribbons I'm holding. I have a pink ribbon here, and I have a green ribbon. And this green ribbon takes a long time for me to show you because it is longer than the pink ribbon. So as we're looking at these ribbons, we may say the pink ribbon is shorter than the green ribbon, or we may say that the green ribbon is longer or taller than the pink ribbon. The next thing I'm going to show you are two pencils, and we use these for writing, right? So looking at these two pencils, what do you notice? Are they the same? They're not. This pencil is shorter than this pencil. Or we could say that this pencil is taller than this pencil. Okay, I have a trick for you. Close your eyes. Oh, I see you peeking. Close your eyes. What do you notice about my pencils now? What do you notice about those pencils? What do they look like? They're the same length, and it was the same two pencils. Do y'all think I'm magic? No? Okay. Well, let's look at these pencils. How did I make them appear to be the same? I changed their endpoints. So part of our objective was to measure things. We need to have even endpoints. When you have uneven endpoints, it gives you a false perception about which one is taller. But if we have even endpoints, we can see that this pencil is clearly taller than this pencil. Same thing with my ribbons. If I have an even endpoint to where I'm measuring them the same, we can see that the green ribbon is clearly much longer than the pink ribbon. So let's look at part of our problem set for today. It says for each pair, circle the longer one. Imagine the paper strips are lying flat on the table. So look here. Which one of these do you feel like is the longer one? The first one or the second one? You're right, the first one is longer. For our next one, we have our first rectangular figure, our first paper strip, or our second paper strip. Which one do you think is longer? You're right, it's the second paper strip. And our third problem, which one of these do you feel like is longer? The first one or the second one? Very good, it's the second one. And even with those having uneven endpoints, we can clearly tell which is the longer strip of paper. So now it asks us to draw a flower that is taller than the vase. Well, here's our vase. So I'm going to draw something that is taller. And y'all do not make fun of my flower. Let's see if I can make it beautiful. Here's my petals. And I'm going to put a little stem on my flower. There we go. All right, so comparing these, do we have even end points and starting points? Do they start about the same place? They do. So we can clearly see that the flower is taller than the vase. Now it asks us to draw a tree that is taller than the house. Maybe I'll try to change colors this time. So I'm going to draw a tree. Like I said, we're not making fun of Miss Beach's drawing. We're just making sure it's taller than our house. And we want to start with that same end point down here so that we get a true picture of whether the tree is really taller than the house. All right, thank you for our time together today. Continue on your work, and I'll catch back with you tomorrow.